Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a restaurant menu app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. You can use your own data from spreadsheets and connect it to various components and actions to build interactive and beautiful apps. Glide also uses AI to power your apps and make them smarter. You can share your apps with anyone using a simple link or QR code. Glide works on any device and adapts to any screen size. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a restaurant menu app using Glide is a simple process. Glide's interface is equipped with a range of pre-designed templates that you can easily customize to fit your unique needs. To begin, navigate to the Templates option located in the left menu. This directs you to your template page, where all your existing templates are displayed. To access a wider range of templates, click on the Template Store option. This will take you to the Templates library, a centralized hub filled with diverse templates, neatly organized into different categories for easy browsing. If you're looking for a specific template, the search bar is an invaluable tool. Since our goal is to create a restaurant menu app, simply type restaurant into the search bar. The search results will display a variety of relevant templates. For this tutorial, we'll select the first template titled Restaurant Menu. Selecting this template will lead you to a new page with two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. We'll proceed by clicking on Create this app, which will direct us to the editor for further customization. Inside the editor, you'll find a top bar displaying three options: Data, Layout, and Actions. These are the primary tools you'll use to tailor your restaurant menu app to your specific needs. The Data option leads you to a section where you can customize the app's data. Here, tables are displayed on the left side, allowing you to modify data related to various elements like the About Us info, menu, categories, users, ratings, and more. The Layout option lets you adjust the app's layout, including navigation and component settings. From this section, you can preview what your app looks like in both mobile and desktop modes. The Actions section is where you can create custom workflows. This is achieved by adding actions that combine multiple steps. You can either add a new action by clicking on the Plus New Action button, or you can use the pre-existing actions provided. Once you've customized your app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish. To do this, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. After publishing, a Share button will appear in the same location. Clicking this button provides you with multiple options to share your app, including a QR code, link, or by inviting users through their email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.